Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On this video I'll show you how I make lash extension with my Premade lash fans. I'll put link where you can buy these Premade lash fans in my bio. So first what I will do, I'll clean natural lashes with rubbing alcohol. I use 96% rubbing alcohol, clean wood stick and micro brush to clean lashes. I clean each of lashes and I make sure that I have no any mascara or oil or any other stuff on natural lashes. Then I brush natural lashes to separate them between each other. I use patches and tape to separate bottom lashes and upper lashes. You can see which eye patches I use. It's very easy to buy them from Amazon. And tape, which I buy in drug shops, in supermarkets, when I'm sure that everything is good. I apply the second one patch. Then I use small piece of tape to push end of eyelid up. It will helps me to work with each of her natural lashes. So I shake my glue. I started with the outer corner of her eyes. On this video I used 10 millimeters to outer corner. I separate first lash, then I put to other eye to the center. In the central part I use 11, the link of 11. You can mark patches and paint lash map, but I usually don't do this. I do this by myself. My lash extension usually takes 1 hour if I use Premade lash fans. If I want to achieve very full result, it takes 2 hours. It depends how many natural lashes my client have, but it's average. Change your glue drop every 30 minutes. Shake the glue very good, because it influences to your retention. I use laundry's glue for a long time. It's pretty much easy to work with this kind of glue, but I live in South Carolina and we have high humidity, and my glue loves high humidity and good conditioner, because if your room is very hot and steady, you can not achieve good retention with them. It's pretty much easy to make lash extension, but one of the most important thing, you need to make sure that your extended eyelashes are not glued together. Check this, separate them. I work in technology book and you can see this very good, because when my first one lash is done, I working with its neighbor, so in this way I can make sure that all of nature lashes was extended, and your extension will be very, very full. It's natural map. I glued like 7 or 10 lash fans with length 10 in the outer corner. Most of her eye will be extended with 11, and in the inner corner 8, 9 and 10, like 3 fans of 8, 3 fans of 9, 3 fans of 10, and rest of your eye will be 11. It's quickly, it's easy, it's beautiful. It will create nature look for her. Okay, now I'm applying tape to the inner corner. and I'll glue 8s to the inner part, usually 3/8 in the inner corners. Then I'm working with 9. You see my yellow box with 9s, 3 fans of 9s. And the rest of lashes will be 10. This is the way how I achieve natural effect for my lash extension. You need to make sure that the quality of lash fans is good, because it's one of the most important part of your extension. I'll send you a link where you can buy these Premade lash fans. They are super good, super quality. I love work with them. My clients love them. I think it's the best lash fans in the world, and they keep a lot of your time. You don't need to do them by yourself. Yes, very good, very beautiful result after working with this Premade lash fans very quickly, very good, and my clients are very happy. Thank you for watching.